Hey, some time ago I came across a page called Zero Emission Car on Facebook. The guys show how they're building an electric drift car on it. And it just so happened that I was in Wrocław recently and I visited them. Now you can watch footage from that trip. I think we're here. It looks like it because of the rubble. We're going to check out the electric car. We've arrived. I'm here with Mikhail and Maciek from Wrocław University of Science and Technology. Hey.
Hey, and
I'll tell you about this interesting project.
As you can see, this is a BMW E36 sedan, but it's quite a lot. Very different from a classic E36 because it's not powered by a combustion engine but by an electric one.
the entire body is made of fiberglass and everything here is carbon fiber.
They made the whole body themselves, like...
You might think the engine is here. Three struts. Everything was calculated in the manufacturing execution system software. We calculated it.
With help from the CATFEM circle, yes.
Correct. The engine weighs 12 kilo. And the big box here is the inverter, which basically supplies power to the engine so that it works at all.
The first question that comes to my mind, and probably to everyone else's as well, what is the engine's power output?
We have 100 cows. It's not that much. Such an E.
Is powerfully.
Let's say powerfully.
Powerfully, and that's it.
So 130 horsepower. Horsepower.
Officially 230 theoretically, but we have plans to push this engine further. We plan to get around 350, 400 Nm.
The car currently weighs 700 kilos without.
Without the battery, it's like this. With the battery, it should be around 900. This is the inverter skirt.
What is an inverter and what does it do?
The inverter controls the motor.
How? As I said, the current from the battery goes to the inverter converts it into current that's friendly for the engine, and through these thick wires, well, conductors, not wires, it sends it to the engine, and then the engine does what it needs to do.
This cage is from Schaeffler. We only modified these mounts. The rest was made by them. We have Mirko seats with mounts from the brothers-in-law. The handbrake is from the brothers-in-law.
While at the hydraulic handbrake. Without a gearbox or clutch, how do you start off and use the hydraulic handbrake? In a regular car, you press the clutch when using the handbrake, but here, there's no clutch or gearbox.
Here our electronics play a big role because everything like the pedal box and the handbrake have their own sensors and controllers which we design and build ourselves. They're located in this little box and in similar boxes all around the car. The enclosures are made with 3D printing. And with the handbrake it works so that the sensor detects when we pull it and then the engine is cut off the whole time. So even if we press the gas and pull the handbrake, we still won't be spinning the engine. This is 3D printing. There are sensors for the gas pedal. What
Is under the hood?
a cage for the batteries. Here is our battery management system which manages battery current charging and discharging. And that's actually the main thing that's stopping us from finishing the project, because unfortunately during the first test it exploded on us. And it's quite an expensive issue, and that's the one thing that's stopping us right now from starting the cars.
What kind of wheels is the E36 standing on?
It's standing on JTR 21S as far as I remember. 18.
How long has this project been in the works? The project
Has been in the works for about 3.5 years.
The car isn't driving yet because you're still missing the main battery management system, correct? Yes. What is the cost to finish the project? Just
The battery management system with the equipment we need is about 15-20,000, more like 15 and.
Then we can start thinking about actually driving.
So if you would like to support this amazing project, I highly recommend it. The guys will definitely show their gratitude with all their hearts, I'm sure of it. I think we can put it on the lift now, right? Yes. We're putting it on the lift. We'll check the car from underneath. Quick question, aluminum bash bar? Yes. Weight hinders acceleration.
Yes. This is our battery pack. With our current batteries, there will be two. One under the passenger seat and another here. Eventually, one will go under the hood. And here come our battery packs.
Yes, here is the front cover. You take the cover off.
It spins well. 4 force types. Insert the battery.
You close the cover.
Handles for removing the packs. Ideally, so you don't have to wait for charging, you take out one pack, charge the other, and you can keep riding.
That's right.
The steering is a set from Cebula, all of it. The polyurethane parts, the polyurethane we have from Tuterolkus. You can really see how thick the cables are. A lot of copper for scrap.
You also have an ISC hinge, just like Jik, exactly.
We have StopTech calipers and discs. We'll show the cooler spot next. It comes out here to the engine. Here's the engine. This is the cooler. But
This is like the outer casing of the cooler. The hoses will go in here.
Isn't this a gutter?
it is, but the gutter is full.
This is our intercooler. Yes, from...
This goes over that and is covered with dry ice. That's right. And through this, it blows air. It goes to the engine. It's nicely cooled and
Generally it has...
supposed to be there.
and there until the end. I just don't feel like putting it in because everything will fall off.
We're moving on to the most interesting part of the program, which is the drive.
Adjustable control arms. We got the Winters differential from Redux and are very grateful. We made the entire mount ourselves. The runners are custom made.
What is Winters? Winters.
It's likely every professional drifter's dream.
Just a regular differential. This.
We unscrew this little thing at the back and take out the gears.
Yes, additional like extra gears or ratios here. So we have like a gearbox within a gearbox, which is easily replaceable, and it's like Winters created a large set of these gear ratios so we can swap them whenever we want. Here,
We also have a shaft here, relatively short, which connects our engine to the diff, and it's custom, probably from a Land Rover, if I remember correctly. The weight loss is obvious. You can see there's little left of the car.
yes.
It is. The car from the back just looks like a top car, for example, from the Drift Masters League. There's no rear end. And I will show you the place where the guys actually work, which is their second part of the workshop. This.
The nicer one, yes, definitely. Also there in our kingdom, Monza. We do most things here, except over there where renovations are ongoing. We already have a drill press, 2 lathes, and a complete welding station.
One of the 3 student projects being carried out in parallel in these 2 garages. There is...
This is Lem, actually a Dakar motorcycle. Maybe?
It can ride in Dakar and it will make it, according to them.
Well, and there's one more thing, it's an autonomous car that drives itself. Following. Our car is the first electric drift car in Europe. As far as we know, there are 2 in the United States. As you know, electric cars are having their
Boom.
moment, but practically no one is making electric drift cars yet. How many?
People are working on the project.
Overall, quite a few people have been involved in the project, coming and going. For a very long time, we did it with about 6 people currently. We're doing it with 15.
We're wrapping up this episode. I hope you enjoyed it because I was really pleasantly surprised by this project. It was really great to see it. If you have questions, comment below. The guys will probably reply. And if you want to see how their work is progressing, they'll tell you where you can find them.
Facebook zero emission car.
Exactly. I hope you'll link it below the video or...
Above. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for the guys. High five. I forgot to give it back.
Yes, a gift.
On the helmet.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. And her.